Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're going to be discussing Jolly Jester Marigolds. Did you know that Jolly Jester Marigold harks back to the original wild French marigolds with their single daisy-like flowers? A refreshing departure from the heavily doubled modern varieties that dominate garden centers. This cheerful variety proves that sometimes looking backward is the best way forward. Jolly Jester harkens back to the original wild French marigolds, which had single daisy-like flowers. Marigolds are native to the Americas, ranging from the southwestern United States down through Central America and as far south as Argentina. The center of diversity of marigold species is central Mexico. Species have been cultivated and bred for many centuries in pre-Columbian Mexico, dating back to the classic Mayan period, about 300 to 900 AD. Early Spanish explorers are credited with taking marigold seeds from the New World to Spain. From Spain, marigold seeds were transported to France and northern Africa. The British called the French marigold the Rose of the Indies. In Spain, the flowers were favorites to be placed on the altar of the Virgin Mary, eventually becoming known as Mary's Gold, and hence marigold. The Aztec called it the flower of 400 lives, which was highly regarded for its healing properties. Jolly Jester is a beautiful bicolored French marigold with a pinwheel pattern of maroon and yellow petals. It's very prolific and a showy low-growing marigold with height of 12 to 18 inches. The single daisy-like flowers feature a distinctive pinwheel appearance with contrasting, lively yellow and deep maroon stripes that create striking visual interest. The striped blooms are a contrasting play of lively yellow and deep orange, and they sway gently in the breeze. They do not at all have the stiff appearance of many marigolds, and kids just love them. Nice deep green foliage, a major attractor for butterflies. Unlike heavily doubled modern marigolds, Jolly Jester maintains the open, accessible flower form that pollinators can easily navigate. Start the seeds indoors 8 weeks before your last frost, or direct sow once the soil has warmed. Select a sunny area with rich, well-drained soil. Marigolds prefer full sun and a well-balanced, slightly dry soil. Sow seeds outdoors 2 weeks before the last frost. Plant seeds just beneath the surface of the soil. Seeds will germinate in 4 to 10 days. Marigolds tolerate clay soil but prefer evenly moist, well-drained soil. Marigolds are regarded as one of the easiest plants to grow. They are very hardy and may survive minor frosts. Do not overwater. Jolly Jester marigolds tolerate poor conditions. Space plants 9 to 12 inches apart for best results. Plant at the end of rows for a beautiful and powerful natural pest protector. In front of your pea or bean fence for a decorative border. Marigold roots release compounds that are toxic to harmful soil nematodes, making it a great companion for root crops, such as carrots and potatoes, and heavy feeders like tomatoes and beans. They attract beneficial insects such as hoverflies, ladybugs, and parasitic wasps, which help control pest populations naturally. Studies have shown that most marigolds produce chemical compounds that are toxic or antagonistic to certain harmful nematodes. The vibrant flowers draw pollinators, making them valuable companions to fruit trees and annual vegetables. It is often used as a companion plant for its insect-repelling properties. Remove dead flowers to encourage reblooming. To save seed, pop the spent flower heads into a paper bag and squeeze the seeds off to dry and save for next year. The flowers are edible and also used in teas. The petals of marigolds are rich in luteins and also make exceptional food coloring. Scattering a few petals on a salad provides exquisite color. Both species are known for their anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and insect-repelling properties. And that wraps up today's plant profile. Thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to add this cheerful pest fighter to your garden, share your favorite marigold varieties in the comments and subscribe for more companion planting tips. Until next time.